YouTube sensation right here, man.
That's the first Indian you've ever ridden right there.
Above the cable and have them reach out.
Come to Fandango in April.
Watch and ride.
I need a sticker for my little mini bike. Yeah, thank y'all for coming.
All right. Here we are downtown, Joaquin, Texas. This is the Flying G Motorcycle Museum. Right across the street from the museum, you got the Ives brothers. They set up their wall of death. Let's go over there and see if I can sneak inside.
Man, you're riding right there.
That's pretty fun.
Alright, let's go take a look inside this museum and see what kind of bikes they have. This guy has bikes from wall to wall.
YouTube sensation right here, man.
There you go,
What's up,
man.
mate?
You doing all right, man?
Doing good, doing good.
You got Cushmans, Indians, of course Harleys.
How y'all doing?
Hi, how about you?
Good, good. I need a sticker for my little mini bike.
This town is packed today with bikes, custom cars. Now, if you've ever been to Joaquin before, you know this place.
Here's his daddy's shop. All his dad's bikes.
Now we just have road runs every so often.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, man.
Cherokee chapter.
Where?
It's a Cherokee chapter out of Texas.
Okay, yeah. I saw that little booth over there. Is that
Yeah.
Yeah.
Party up. Okay.
Come to Fandango in April.
There's actually a group here today that rode all these old Indians here, all the way from Oklahoma.
There's a guy's bike right here.
Place has Bull Tacos, BSAs, Hondas, and some kind of bikes. I don't even know who makes them.
Ladies and
services. This place is sick.
Hey, yeah, thank y'all for coming.
All right, I got one last question. How'd you all enjoy the show? That's what I love to hear. Thank you on behalf of the I-24 Tech. Put your hands together one last time for Cody Eyes, Kyle Eyes, and my name is Kickin' Wing.
Thanks for letting me in, man. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you, buddy.
Absolutely.
Take
Thank you
care.
for coming out.
Thanks, brother.